Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the surface and the panel dimensions. This avoids surprises. Mark stud locations and the panel centerline, then position bottom Z-clip at the planned height. Once done, pre-drill holes slightly smaller than the screws to prevent splitting. If you're using anchors, drive them flush. Make sure to orient the clips so the mating edge faces up and toward the wall. You'll feel more secure with one person holding the panel while you fasten the first clip. You now fix the panel side Z-clip centered on the back edge. Countersink screws so the clip sits flat and the panel sits tight. Once hung, engage the wall clip by hooking at a slight angle and rotate the panel down to lock. This ensures the tongue-in groove action holds. After seating, check level and use thin shims behind the clip if needed. Small adjustments here eliminate gap and prevent tilt. If multiple panels line up, repeat and verify joint flushness as you go. You finish by tightening secondary screws while supporting the panel to keep alignment. Don't over-tighten and deform the clip. If you see a vertical gap, slightly loosen, insert thin shims, and red-iton until the seam is flush. Small shifts of 1/16 inch make a big difference. If the panel rattles, add a strip of felt or thin rubber between clips to damp vibration. Finally, inspect all fasteners and confirm every panel sits evenly before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.